HEL Performance is a stainless steel brake line manufacturer based in Exeter in Devon. We've been in business for 20 years and we basically manufacture a full set of brake hoses for any motorcycle or car. It's a stainless steel fitting crimped onto a stainless steel hose with a choice of PVC cover to match the bodywork or the colour of your bike. We have a full range of stainless steel brake hose kits for all models of motorcycles and cars. We do them in a multitude of colours: clutch hoses, oil lines, oil cooler kits, and we're bringing out new products in the future. With all stainless steel brake hoses, what you're getting is the pressure that you exert at the master cylinder being transferred directly to the calipers. With rubber hoses that you get on a standard brake setup on most motorcycles, there's expansion. So some of the pressure that you put on at the brake master cylinder is lost with the hose actually expanding outwards, whereas a stainless steel hose doesn't give that expansion. So you get more of the pressure that you put on at the master cylinder, more feel, more feedback for the rider, and a more direct braking. The difference between us and many other manufacturers is that HEL Performance actually make every single stainless steel fitting in-house on our own machinery. We've now got 14 star CNC machines running 24/7, lights out. The benefit to us and to you as a consumer is that we've got total control over the quality and the numbers that we produce. So if we get a kit ordered on a certain day, we try and get that kit out that day to the customer for the very next day. We have 80 distributors around the world that are doing the same in their individual countries, so it's the speed with which we can get our product to the customer. The future for HEL Performance is going to be our new calipers and our master cylinders. The caliper is a race-derived product. It does come with road seals as well that can be removed for racetrack use. It comes with either a racing pad or a road pad, and the feedback that we've had so far has been just phenomenal. Everything's made in our factory in Exeter, assembled here, tested here, and sent out for use on the road or the track. All of our products are available online, or you can telephone us at any time. We're also releasing the calipers this year at Motorcycle Live, which is really important for us. It's a great looking product and it will really improve anyone's motorcycle ride.